Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by checking a few essentials so you can work without surprises. Verify your iOS version and model. Older firmwares behave differently. Back up your device to iCloud or Finder so you can restore if needed. Then turn off VPNs, remove enterprise or beta profiles, and disable screen time. These often block verification. Once done, restart the device to clear temporary caches, and make sure you have the same Apple ID signed in before moving to the next step. Now you perform the core repair sequence that actually forces integrity checks. Connect to a reliable network because verification contacts Apple servers. Unstable Wi-Fi causes failures. Go to Settings, General, About, and look for Certificate or Profile Trust options. You may need to manually enable trust for a profile. Reinstall the app or configuration profile, then open it so iOS triggers verification. If you see a prompt, follow it. This step resets the verification handshake between the app, profile, and Apple servers. Finish by ensuring the system itself isn't the problem. Install any pending iOS updates and restart the device to apply them. If verification still fails, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to refresh credentials and tokens. This resolves many server-side mismatches. As a last resort, restore the device from your backup or set up as new, then retry. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, capture screenshots of error messages and contact Apple support so they can correlate logs to your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.